Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Game 6 of the NBA Playoffs Western Conference Finals, May 29, 2026. The San Antonio Spurs routed the Oklahoma City Thunder 180-91 to force Game 7 in Western Conference Finals. Victor Wembanyama had 28 points, 10 rebounds, and 3 blocks, and the San Antonio Spurs sent Western Conference Finals back to Oklahoma City for Game 7, routing the Thunder 180-91. Dylan Harper had 18 points and Stephon Cassell added 17. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander was limited to a team-high 15 points for the defending champion Oklahoma City. Holmgren had 10 points and 11 rebounds. Oklahoma City's Jalen Williams returned after injuring his hamstring in Game 2 and missing the next 3 games. Williams was limited to 1 point on 0 for 1 shooting in 10 minutes. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander played 28 minutes and was limited on 6 of 18 field goals, including 0 of 5 from the three-point line. He shot 3 of 3 from the free throw line and had a team low -28 in the plus-minus rating. While Victor Wembanyama played also 28 minutes and had 28 points on 10 of 21 field goals, including 4 of 9 from the three-point line and 4 of 4 from the free throw line. He also had 2 assists, 2 steals, and 3 turnovers. The Thunder were scoreless for 8 minutes in the third as the Spurs ran off 22 straight points to make it 92-64 with 56 seconds left in the quarter. OKC shot 35 of 94 field goals, including 10 of 40, or 25% from the three-point line, and 11 of 12 from the free throw line. They had a total of 42 rebounds, 22 assists with 12 turnovers, 9 steals, and 3 blocks. The average margin of victory in the series had been 15.3 points, with the Spurs winning by an average of 18.3 points. In this game, San Antonio Spurs shot 41 of 88 from the field, including 15 of 41 from the deep and is 21 of 25 from the free throw line. They had a total of 52 rebounds, 30 assists, with 12 turnovers, 7 steals, and 7 blocks. Let's take a look at the Western Conference Finals game scheduled on May 31, 2026. A do-or-die game between Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder and Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs will take place in Paycom Center at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Let's proceed to the NBA Conference Final Series standings as of May 29, 2026. For the Eastern Conference, the New York Knicks wins their series against Cleveland Cavaliers 4-0. And for the Western Conference, Oklahoma City and San Antonio Spurs series is tied at 3-3.